Hello friends, I'm come back again and I come to with new topics and you can learn new things. So first of all, I just show you how you can delete your contract on your iPhone. So if you're iPhone user, then you can stay with me. Otherwise, you can just skip this video. And if you want to learn, then you can just stay with me. Okay. So first of all, I just find the any contract which one I delete. So first I just tap on call options, then showing the my all contract list. So if you want to delete any number, then I just choose anyone like this number. I try delete. Okay. So here in showing this number options, many options. So if you want to delete this one, then you can just tap here edit option, then showing many options like many fields, add phone, email, and pronouns, add URL, many things. Then you can just scroll down and the last here showing the delete contract. All right. So if you want to just delete this contract, then you can just tap here the delete contract. Now come up like new pop-ups. Okay. Then you can just confirm delete. All right. See, it's done. So that's it, and it's easy way. And if you face any problem, you can just comment. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.